It's a blizzard, all right, and it's very, very white. Elon Musk, who wants to flood the United States with Indians with H-1B visas, ain't very keen on Pakistanis, or what he thinks is Pakistanis. I wonder what the difference between Indians and Pakistanis might be for Mr. Elon Musk, who called the Prime Minister of Britain the rape chieftain of the country, and called a Minister of State in the British government a rape and genocide apologist. She is actually, mainly in Gaza, but then so is Elon Musk. And then, to put a tin hat on it, Elon today called for the overthrow of Nigel Farage, whom he offered $100 million just a couple of weeks ago. Whoa, it's snow time. Stay with me, I'll be right back.